Dear subscribers and viewers, in continuation of the previous lesson, which was about the customer and supplier card. How to add a card to a customer or a card to a supplier. Today we will learn about addresses management. Where you can add a chart of addresses of countries, cities and regions. At first this chart will be blank so you can define it to suit the target customer areas of the company. First, the country will be added by going to the customer's menu, Address Management, Country Card. You are required to fill in the code for this country, then the name of the country, for example, the United Arab Emirates, and the Latin name. Then click Add to save this card. Then we will add the cities of this country by going to the customer's menu and then Address Management, City Card. Enter the code for this city, the name of the city, the Latin name, for example Abu Dhabi, and the country to which this city belongs. You can search by country code or name, or you can use the search icon. Then click Add to save this city. You can also add cities affiliated with the country in another way, by going to the chart of address, then right-clicking on the country and choose Insert a new city. Just enter the city name and the Latin name and click Add. You also have to add the region affiliated with each city by going to the customer's menu and then Address Management, Region Card. Fill in the code for this region, its name, the Latin name and the city. Click Add to save. You can also add region directly from the addresses chart by right-clicking on the city and then clicking on Insert New Region. After adding these cards, they can be easily used in the address when adding customer or supplier cards. Cities and regions can also be added when adding a customer card or supplier card. If the region or city is not found during the search, click on the New button, and the region or city card will be opened. Fill in the required information and then click Add to save. Of course, this does not prevent adding additional details to the address in the customer or supplier card in the remaining available fields or the Details field. Again, I hope everyone benefits from it. Many thanks for following. Share the video with your friends to benefit everyone.